What if I told you that in 2025, you could make money without quitting your job? Millions of people are starting side hustles that pay more than their full-time salaries. The secret is picking the right hustle at the right time. Today, I'll share 5 side hustles you can start in 2025 that are realistic and highly profitable. Stay with me because number 5 might shock you. Let's be real. The cost of living keeps going up, but wages don't always keep pace. That's why side hustles have become a survival tool for many people. They give you extra income, more freedom, and sometimes even a path to financial independence. Think of them as small seeds that can grow into huge money trees. But which side hustles actually work in 2025? We're living in a world of rapid change where AI, digital platforms, and online businesses are exploding. Side hustles are no longer just about driving Uber or delivering food. The opportunities in 2025 are smarter, faster, and more scalable. That means you can work from home, use technology, and reach global customers. Let's start with hustle number 1. AI content creation is one of the hottest opportunities right now. Tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Runway let you generate articles, videos, and images in minutes. People are paying for this content because not everyone knows how to use these tools. You can create faceless YouTube videos, blog posts, or even sell digital products. The question is, how fast could you start making money with just a laptop? The first step is choosing a niche like finance, fitness, or travel. Then use AI tools to generate content quickly and polish it for quality. Upload it to platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Medium, where traffic is huge. You can monetize through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate links. And the best part is, you don't need to show your face if you don't want to. Next up is print on demand, and this one keeps getting bigger every year. Imagine designing t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases without touching inventory. Websites like Printful or Teespring handle the printing and shipping for you. You just upload your designs and collect profits. Do you think people will stop buying custom merch in 2025? Definitely not. Customization is more popular than ever, and social media makes marketing easier. A simple viral TikTok can sell thousands of shirts in days. Plus, you don't need a warehouse or upfront costs, which makes it beginner-friendly. The only real work is creating unique designs people love, and if you can't design, you can even use AI art tools to do it. The third hustle is online tutoring and coaching, which exploded during the pandemic. Parents and students are still willing to pay for extra learning, but in 2025, it's not just school subjects. It's also skills like coding, video editing, and even personal development. You can teach one-on-one or sell digital courses. Imagine teaching what you already know and getting paid for it. Think about it. Every year, new skills are needed for jobs and businesses. People are willing to invest in knowledge that saves time or increases income. If you can teach English, coding, or even financial planning, you have an audience. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Zoom make it simple to start. Isn't it crazy how your knowledge can literally turn into cash? The fourth hustle is selling digital products, which is booming in 2025. These include ebooks, templates, planners, and online courses. Once created, they can be sold unlimited times without extra cost. That means passive income while you sleep. The challenge is creating something valuable enough that people actually want. Digital products have no shipping, no packaging, and no inventory headaches. You just make it once and sell it forever. Imagine creating a budgeting template or social media planner that thousands of people download. All you need is a sales platform like Etsy, Gumroad, or Shopify. Wouldn't it be amazing to earn money even while you're on vacation? Finally, hustle number 5 is remote freelancing, and it's bigger than ever in 2025. Businesses are outsourcing everything from graphic design to copywriting. Sites like Fiverr and Upwork connect freelancers with clients worldwide. If you have a skill like video editing, marketing, or even voiceover, you can earn from home. And the more projects you do, the higher your pay gets. Companies love freelancers because they save money on full-time salaries. That means more projects available for independent workers. Freelancing also gives you the freedom to choose your clients and set your rates. Over time, you can even turn it into a full-time business. Isn't it exciting to think your laptop could be your office and your income source? Now here's the big question. Which hustle is right for you? The answer depends on your skills, interests, and how much time you can commit. Some hustles need creativity, while others need teaching or technical skills. The best strategy is to test 2 or 3 and see what clicks, because the sooner you start, the faster you'll see results. Most people wait for the perfect moment, but that moment never comes. Side hustles are about taking small, consistent actions. Even 1 hour a day can build momentum. Remember, big income streams start with small steps. So what's stopping you from starting today? The real goal isn't just making side money, it's building financial independence. Each hustle has the potential to scale into a full business, but it requires patience, persistence, and smart choices. Imagine yourself a year from now, running a hustle that pays your rent or even replaces your job. That's what starting today can lead to. But let's pause for a second and talk about mistakes. Many beginners quit too early because they expect instant results. Others spread themselves too thin across 5 hustles at once. The truth is, focus and consistency are the keys to growth. So don't just try everything. Pick one and master it first. Another trick in 2025 is using AI to boost your hustle. AI can handle marketing, design, content writing, and even customer service. That means less stress for you and faster results. Imagine letting AI tools do the heavy lifting while you focus on strategy. Doesn't that sound like the smartest way to work? Every hustle in 2025 connects back to social media. Whether it's TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, these platforms give free attention. A single viral post can change your entire business overnight. That's why consistency in posting is just as important as the hustle itself. What would happen if your side hustle went viral tomorrow? Passive income is the dream, right? Some hustles like digital products or content creation are perfect for this. You do the work once and keep earning again and again. That's the difference between trading time for money and building assets. Which path would you rather take? Active income or passive wealth? Of course, balance is important too. A side hustle shouldn't drain you or hurt your main job. The trick is to manage time wisely and set clear boundaries. Treat your hustle as an investment in your future, not just extra work. Because once it grows, the rewards are worth it. There are countless stories of people turning side hustles into million-dollar businesses. From selling print-on-demand shirts to teaching courses online, they all started small, but they stayed consistent and adapted with trends. Their success proves these opportunities are real. The next story could be yours if you're willing to start. Most people fail before they even try, because they let fear stop them. Fear of failure, fear of judgment, fear of wasting time. But the reality is, doing nothing is the real risk. Each day you wait, someone else is building their future. So why not you? And why not now? 2025 is the perfect year to start because opportunities are endless. AI, social media, and remote work make side hustles easier than ever. You don't need a huge budget or special degree. All you need is internet access and determination. Isn't that empowering to know? Think of this as the beginning of your hustle journey. Start with one hustle, learn, and grow. As you build confidence, you can expand into multiple income streams. Every small win builds momentum for the next. Before you know it, your side hustle could change your entire lifestyle. So here's the key takeaway. Side hustles in 2025 are smarter and more scalable than ever before. Whether it's AI content, print on demand, tutoring, digital products, or freelancing, the choice is yours. The earlier you begin, the faster you'll see results. Remember, the best time to plant a money tree was yesterday, but the second best time is today. Start now and thank yourself later. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found your perfect side hustle for 2025. Don't just stop here, because I've got another video that dives even deeper into money-making strategies. Click on the playlist on your screen and keep building your financial future. Every video is packed with practical ideas you can start right away. I'll see you there.